Number 1. Ford F150 XL, $3,700, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1988 Ford F150 XL represents the final era of simple, owner-serviceable American pickup trucks. Powered by a 4.9-liter inline six-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, it is known for durability and strong low-end torque. The engine was replaced by Ford in recent years, and common aging components such as ignition and starter systems have been addressed. Featuring rear-wheel drive, solid suspension, and a clean title, the truck runs and drives well and needs only cosmetic attention. It is an honest work truck with classic late 80s character. Number 2. 1988 Dodge D100, $4,500, Hemet, California. This 1988 Dodge D100 short bed is a largely original survivor with low mileage for its age. Equipped with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic transmission, it offers smooth drivability and classic Dodge styling. The interior is exceptionally clean, while exterior rust is surface level and typical for the era. The bed is in very good condition, and all original emissions equipment remains intact. With a clean Arizona title and no back fees, this truck is a strong preservation candidate. Number 3. 1989 Ford F250 7.3 diesel 4-wheel drive, $4,000, Paso Robles, California. This 1989 Ford F250 is powered by the legendary 7.3-liter indirect injection diesel engine, known for longevity and simplicity. It features 4-wheel drive, a 5-speed manual transmission, locking hubs, and a floor-mounted transfer case. Emissions exempt and holding a clean California title, it runs and drives well. Some gauges and air conditioning components need attention. This is a rare diesel work truck with growing collector appeal. Number 4. 1971 Ford F250, $3,500, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1971 Ford F250 bump side is an early 70s heavy-duty pickup powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 and C6 automatic transmission. The truck runs and has been driven regularly, but currently needs front brake service. A replacement hood and updated gauge cluster improve usability while retaining its rugged appearance. With a clean title and solid mechanical foundation, this is an excellent enthusiast project. Number 5. 1958 Willys Jeep pickup truck, $10,000, Sunnyvale, California. This rare 1958 Willys Jeep pickup has been upgraded with a Cummins 4BT turbo diesel engine, known for torque and reliability. It retains its original transmission, paint, chassis, and body, blending authenticity with modern diesel performance. New brakes, radiator, and battery have been installed. While the interior needs restoration, this Willys offers a strong base for a historically inspired custom build. Number 6. 1965 Ford F100, $6,999, Napa County, California. This 1965 Ford F100 is powered by a 352 cubic inch FE-V8 and a column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission. Extensive mechanical upgrades include brakes, steering, suspension, and ignition components. Slightly lowered and fitted with Mustang seats, it balances vintage charm with improved drivability. With current registration and a clean title, it is a dependable driver-quality classic. Number 7. 1971 Ford Sport Custom 3/4 ton, $6,000, Palm Springs, California. This 1971 Ford Sport Custom 3/4 ton pickup is a rare heavy-duty model powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine. It starts, runs, and drives, making it a true restoration candidate rather than a non-running project. Recent updates include a new carburetor, fuel pump, and battery. Increasing scarcity adds to its collector potential. Number 8. 1973 Dodge D100 V8, $7,850, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1973 Dodge D100 short bed stepside is powered by a 440 cubic inch V8 paired with a 727 automatic transmission. The drivetrain has significantly fewer miles than the chassis. Recent upgrades include headers, ignition improvements, new shocks, exhaust work, and a refreshed interior. With a clean New Mexico title, it delivers strong muscle-era pickup presence. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado K10 4-wheel drive, $1,000, Utah. This 1984 Chevrolet Silverado K10 is a rust-free square-body 4-wheel drive project stored for over 20 years. Powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it includes power steering, disc brakes, air conditioning, power windows, and locks. Although not currently running, the solid body and clean title make it an excellent restoration or swap candidate. Number 10. 1984 Toyota 4-wheel drive Xtra cab pickup, $11,500, Everson, Washington. This modified 1984 Toyota Xtra cab is a serious off-road and overland build, featuring solid axles, deep gearing, suspension lift, winch, flatbed, and auxiliary fuel tank. Multiple engines and transmissions are included. While the current engine is not ideal for daily use, the additional drivetrains add significant value, best suited for trail or expedition use. Number 11. 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne K20 4-wheel drive, $12,500, Severance, Colorado. This 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne K20 features a new 350 cubic inch crate motor and rebuilt automatic transmission with minimal miles. Extensive mechanical and interior upgrades enhance reliability and comfort. With minimal rust and a clean title, it is suitable for daily use or light restoration. Square body trucks continue to appreciate in value. Number 12, 1999 Dodge Ram, $500, San Antonio, Texas. This 1999 Dodge Ram is a low-cost project powered by a 5.2-liter V8 engine with oil pressure issues likely due to internal wear. Extras such as a lift kit and toolbox add value. With high mileage and a clean title, it is best suited for parts, engine swap, or rebuild. Number 13, 1940 GMC truck, 29500 Portland, Oregon. This 1940 GMC truck blends classic styling with modern drivability, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission on a later Blazer chassis. Features include power steering, power brakes, a 12-volt electrical system, and updated wiring. An oak bed cover and preserved accessories enhance its character. A high-quality Restomod suitable for driving in shows. Number 14, 1973 GMC Sierra Grande 454, $15,000, Fort Worth, Texas. This 1973 GMC Sierra Grande is powered by a rebuilt 454 cubic inch V8 and TH400 automatic transmission. Extensive mechanical, electrical, and interior upgrades elevate it beyond stock condition. Modern features include digital gauges, air conditioning, and upgraded audio. Minor door rust is present, but overall execution is strong. Number 15, 1959 Ford F100, $12,500, Buellton, California. This 1959 Ford F100 is a family-owned California survivor, powered by its original inline 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed column-shifted manual transmission. Owned by the same family for 67 years, it benefits from recent mechanical work and careful storage. Suspension work is needed, but included parts add value. This truck offers exceptional provenance and collector appeal.